Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some vintage vibe home decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Vintage vibe home decor refers to a design aesthetic that embraces the charm, warmth and character of the past eras, typically focusing on items that are 20 to 100 years old. This style is characterized by a blend of nostalgia, craftsmanship, and a sense of history, offering a unique and personalized atmosphere to living space. Here are some practical and creative tips to enhance a vintage vibe home decor. Layer textures. Mix materials like wood, metal, linen, lace and velvet to create depth. A worn leather chair with a soft knitted throw instantly adds vintage charm. Play with lighting. Use antique lamps, candeliers, or lantern-style lights for soft, nostalgic illumination. Addition bulbs or filament bulbs give a cozy, retro glow. Focus on statement furniture. Let one standout vintage features like a dresser, sideboard, or armchair guide the room's vibe. Refinish or repaint to match your color palette while keeping the vintage charm. Incorporate retro patterns. Choose floral, paisley, or geometric prints for cushions, curtains, or rugs. Don't be afraid to mix patterns, but keep color harmonious. Use vintage accessories. Decorate with old clocks, typewriters, radios, or suitcases. Even vintage frames and mirrors can instantly transform walls. Mix old with new. Combine modern elements with vintage finds for balance. Example: a modern sofa with an antique coffee table keeps the room cozy without feeling dated. Opt for warm, muted colors. Shades like cream, dusty rose, sage green, mustard, and soft brown work beautifully. Avoid overly bright or neon colors, they clash with vintage charm. DIY and upcycling. Refinish old furniture, turn a leather into a bookshelf, or repurpose glass jars as vases. Adds personality and keeps your decor unique. Bring nature indoors. Use potted plants, dried flowers, or herbs in vintage containers. Adds freshness will enhancing the cottage or retro vibe. Vintage wall art, hang retro posters, old maps, botanical prints, or antique paintings. Use ornate frames or distressed wood frames to enhance authenticity. Antique mirrors. Add mirrors with vintage frames to reflect light and make a space feel larger. A sunbrushed mirror or ornate gilded mirror can be a focal point. Mix metals. Blend brush, copper, and earth iron elements in lamps, handles, or decorative objects. Create a layered, collected over time look. Vintage rugs. Use Persian rugs or retro pattern rugs to enter spaces. Even a small vintage turner can add warmth and charm. Collectible displays showcase vintage ceramics, glass bottles, teacups, or figurines in open shelves or cabinets. Creates visual interest and storytelling. Old books and magazines. Stack classic books on tables or shelves. Use old magazines or sheet music as framed wall decor. Mix chair stylish. Around a dining table, mix different style or colors of vintage chairs. Creates an eclectic, authentic feel. Distress finishes. Furniture with paint peeling or own wood adds character. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching this video.